Hey everyone, welcome back to PromptWare. Today we're unpacking the storied and deadly clash between Israel and Iran, an unprecedented direct war between two non-contiguous states. On June 13, 2025, Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, targeting Iran's nuclear sites at Natanz and Fordo, missile infrastructure, and senior commanders. Over 220 Iranians were killed. Iran responded immediately with missile and drone strikes on Israeli cities. Iron Dome and Arrow intercepted more than 90%, but the Israeli civilian toll continued to climb. 24 killed, 600+ injured. Air supremacy. Israel's stealth jets operated over Tehran with minimal rebellion, allowing surgical strikes. The strikes knocked out about a third of Iran's missile launchers, plus key air defense installations and nuclear facilities. Iran's response has lowered from over 150 missiles to about 10 per day now. Word is, they're conserving. The price tag is steep. Israeli interceptors cost up to $285 million per night. Will the U.S. resupply hold up? Netanyahu's stated objectives are to dismantle Iran's nuclear, missile, and proxy capabilities, and possibly shape the regime's destiny. Iran's deterrence roadmap involves prolonging the conflict, threatening global oil flows at the Strait of Hormuz, and hitting U.S. bases, but risks widespread escalation. The U.S. is positioned to provide defensive aid and intelligence, but stops short of direct involvement. Trump wants unconditional Iranian surrender. Regionally, Gulf states are stuck. China and Russia urge calm. NATO reassesses missile defense strategies. Missile stocks. Whoever runs out first likely loses momentum. Israel depends on U.S. resupply. Iran's output is fading. The U.S. entry is critical. Israel needs U.S. support to finish buried targets at Fordo. Without it, the campaign may stall. Iran's balancing act is to avoid a direct U.S. hit. Proxy or economic moves possible. Diplomacy alert. The G7 and international community are pushing for ceasefire, but arms are flying faster than words. In summary, Israel dominates tactically, with air superiority, precision strikes, and missile defense. Iran perseveres, but its capacity is steadily eroding. The clock is ticking. Stockpiles, U.S. resupply, and proxies will decide the duration and stakes. What do you think? Will this spiral into direct U.S. involvement, or morph into a frozen conflict like past Cyprus zones? Let me know in the comments. If this video gave you clarity, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. You're in the next breakdown on PromptWare.